All right, some last minute reflections, some last minute notes. What did we learn? We learned that there was a pretty minimal amount of space to do these skill toys, which I think since I've been to about I don't know, I've been to about 25 skate parks in my life. I would say that that this was a little atypical. That you would usually you have more options. That little patch off to the side could be good, and then obviously there's all of this. There's tons of space over here, so you don't actually have to be on the skate park, to practice. I mean, look at all this area too. So it's the idea though is that there's in the vicinity of the skateboarder, so that the skateboarders can see you, so you could see the skateboarding. You're near, but you're also not in the space too. So it's being close to something. It would be kind of like, for instance, like let's say you see someone. Here's just an example. Let's say someone's doing their job. They're a crossing guard. Well, you don't really want to bother them, but you could be near them, as in like across the street or in a cafe or something, or in the vicinity. So those are things just to think about. That's really probably not a good example. Is there another example? Well, how about a tree? There's a tree, so you want to be near the tree. You could be in the shade. You could be across from the tree. You could be over here on the sidewalk, and the tree is over there. There's lots of different distances. You could get up to the tree, but there's a distance. There's a distance from the tree. So with the skateboarders, it's the same thing. You're not going to be near. You want to be near them, but you don't want to be next to them or on top of them. Or in their space at all. They're going to be doing their skateboarding, and you're going to be doing your skill toy thing. Maybe there is some interaction, maybe not, but you could do it even over here. You could do your skill toy thing and you're juggling over here. So it's all about finding a spot that's good for you, that's close to. We're sort of connecting the juggling and the skill toy with the space of the skateboarder, of the skate park, and using that as sort of like an anchor. Again, the anchor turns out to be the name of the skate shop here in St. Pete's, but using that to anchor, and even if you were decided to do your juggling out here, wherever you do the juggling or your skills, that's great, and you'll find your own place to do those things. So it's going to be a work in progress, a learning thing, but I think we found a little bit of a way to do it, or learned a little bit today. And this is St. Pete's Skate Park, in this park here in beautiful St. Petersburg, Florida.